Okay, we're going to read a book called What's That Noise by Francesca Simon and David Melling. I wonder if this book's going to be good. Let's see. One night, Harry went to sleep at Grandpa and Grandma's house. For the first time in his life, Harry slept in a strange bed in a strange room. It was very dark. Oh. Suddenly, Harry heard a strange noise. Sputter-click, sputter-click, whoosh. Uh-oh. Grandpa, come quickly, shouted Harry. What's that noise? Uh-oh. Grandpa ran upstairs. No noise here. He looked in the wardrobe. He looked under the bed. No noise there. He looked around the corner. No noise there. Then suddenly, sputter-click, whoosh. Harry, it's only the radiator. Now snuggle down and go to sleep. Everything was quiet until Nino, Nino, Nino. Oh, what's that? I think you know, don't you cheeky guy? Yes, you do. Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise? Harry, it's only a fire engine. Oh, the fire engine. I wonder what emergency they're dealing with in the middle of the night. Nino, Nino. Now snuggle down and go to sleep. Everything was quiet again until rumble, rumble, rumble. Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise? Harry, it's only an aeroplane. Rumble, rumble, vroom. Now snuggle down and go to sleep. This is exciting, isn't it? Oh, don't take the book. Everything was quiet until rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat. Grandpa, come quickly. What's that noise? Harry, it's only... Oh, Grandpa jumped out of the bath to find him. Mrs. Ruffle next door hammering something. Rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat-tat. Mrs. Ruffle is a bit of a silly person. They're doing some hammering in the middle of the night, if you ask me. Yeah. Yeah, I think we both agree on this one, Puppets. Now snuggle down and go to sleep. For a while, everything was quiet. Choppers! Stop kicking, you crazy guy. Grandpa settled down his comfy bed and read his book. Suddenly, he heard a strange snuffling sound. Snuffle, snuffle. Grandma, come quickly. What's that noise? Grandpa's saying it now. Oh, Grandpa, what is going on? I don't know, said Grandma. Oh, they're hugging each other because they're scared. They heard the snuffling rustling again. Only this time, it was louder. Uh-oh. I think the noise is coming from Harry's room, whispered Grandma. Grandma and Grandpa tiptoed up the stairs to the attic. The snuffling noise got closer and closer. Slowly, Grandma open the door. Grandpa, it's only Harry snuffling and snoring. Oh, Harry's asleep and he's snoring. Now, Grandpa, snuggle down and go to sleep. It was only Harry snoring at the end. Oh, Grandpa, you silly sausage. What do you think of that one? Yeah, I enjoyed that quite a lot. Yeah.